What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Stick here. Hey, I'm out here on the Cumberland River. Put in at Cleese's Ferry. Gonna fish out here in West Nashville. There is a wind advisory today, so kind of gonna be very limited on where I can fish. So I just probably need to stay out of the wind. The river's very high. It's 50 degrees right now, right after a minor flood. So I don't know, we're gonna fish some of these pockets and stuff like that, marinas, and I don't know, see if we can find some fish in there. Get the jacket for you. Yeah. That good. Yeah. Vicious, dude. 30 mile an hour today. It's very warm out. There's a big storm coming in. Anytime a big storm comes in, man, it's always windy before it comes in. Going around, I think I might just throw my crankbait a little bit on this point. Find some shelter over here somewhere. Oh, there's our first fish. There's our first fish. Largemouth. I know he's gonna jump as soon as I touched him. Little largemouth on that point. There's a good fish. Oh, got off. There's another good fish. Oh no, he got off too. Spotted bass in here. There's what we're looking for. Catch them on a shaky head, guys. Little fat female right there. Catch them on an 1/8 ounce shaky head. Green pumpkin and blue. Now, let's catch some more. I'm catching fish in here, that's good. They're not easy to catch in here, but at least I'm out of the 40 mile an hour winds. Like, you see that rock sticking out? The wind's pushing the water around that rock. That's where I caught that fish, sitting right there on the ambush spot. think that there'd be some more right there. There's no way there's just one fish sitting there. Alright. I'll try my Ned rig. Go. Little key little spot in here, guys. I've never fished here. Little spotted bass. Look at his lip. A little deformed. So I fished the Shaky head down through there. I went back with the Ned rig, and this color is the deal. And it's called Tickler. Got little tentacles on the end of it. I brought my dog Allie. She insisted on coming today. She insisted. She would not take no. Be honest with you, I almost didn't come out here today. I hooked my boat up and I'm like, oh my gosh, it was so windy. River is white capping. Large now. Brutal out here today, boys. Very limited on what I can fish today. But, I mean, consider it successful so far. There's a huge mud line in this right here. You definitely fish that. Raccoon. There's a raccoon right there. Let's go see how close we can get. He don't even care. Look at this. He don't even care. He's right there. Y'all see him? Look how close I am. Within 5 foot of him. Hey, friend. There's his house. Crap. Temperature in here is 57 degrees. Oh my. Oh, the bass in there. Everybody, y'all in here enjoying this warm water, huh? The water's so clear in here, they can see me easily. Y'all want the little shaky head, guys? A little shaky, a little dancing action? You want some dancing action? Here you go. You want some dancing? Do, 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 do. Man, that was a light bite. It's pretty. Look how colorful he is in this clear water. Alright guys, we're gonna have to cut this short today. Wind has picked up. It's way, it's too dangerous to even stay out here, so I'm calling it early. Good thing is I get to beat the Nashville traffic. Alright, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys.